Have you ever wondered what your home would look like with illuminated walkways and entryways? What about those trees and shrubs that nobody sees once the sun goes down? Landscape lighting is an affordable way to beautify your home and create additional living space without costly renovations. By adding a low-voltage lighting system, you can improve nighttime visibility in many ways. You can enhance any outdoor gathering by adding a lighting system to eating and grilling areas with patios, pools, and spas. Make your home safer by illuminating walkways, steps, and entryways. Highlight landscaping, stonework, and all the beautiful architectural details of your home. And create curb appeal with special lighting effects. Drake Lawn & Pest Control offers multiple landscape lighting options, such as uplights, path lights, and wall wash lights. We can also provide any specific lighting needs you may have, such as lighting a large tree or underwater lights in a water feature. Each transformer we install has either a photocell or an astronomical timer. This means that we'll program your lights to turn on at dusk and turn off at dawn automatically. We will also maintain your system on a quarterly basis, checking for things like cut wires, burnt out bulbs, and broken fixtures. If any of these things happen while under our care, we will fix or replace them free of charge, and all of this comes with a 10-year guarantee. Call today and schedule one of our friendly service consultants to give you a free inspection and estimate on landscape lighting. Drake Lawn & Pest Control. Quality service guaranteed.